Hello, hey, I'm from DaTo. We have gotten here a new vacuum cleaner, and as you see, it has gotten a 5 meters wire. You can connect it as long as the power supply is. Uh, we have gotten locks. We have gotten locks for it. You can open just like this, and this is like a round circle bucket where dust is going. So you can fix it back. These are the locks, and you can lock it back. Just like that. Now we have gotten two buttons here, power buttons, one for spraying, one for cleaning, as you can see. Now here we have gotten the pipe where it sucks from. We have gotten the connector here. You fix it here and you turn it anti-clockwise. Just like this, and then after, you can see it's stacking strong now. So this is the connector which you connect inside the machine, just like this, and it has a lock. This is the lock. When you want to remove the pipe, you just press it down and then pull out the pipe. When you want it inside, you can just don't press the button, just push it inside. It will lock, right? So after that, we have gotten this connector. You connect it inside here, just like this. This is how it works. This is how it's connected. After that, you plug into this adapter. You plug into the power supply. After, you press the buttons. You press the power buttons. Now, as you can see, our car is having a lot of dust inside. Lots of dust inside. You can see the carpets are full of dust. So we are gonna use our vacuum cleaner to thoroughly clean all the dust, wipe it away, right? Now, before our carpets were dirty, they had dirt and dust on them. Now I use DaTo vacuum cleaner to clean away the dust and dirt on the carpets. As you can see them, now they are absolutely clean. No dust on them. And actually on the floor also, the floor is also cleared, smooth and clean. You can see the floor is also clean. The second connector, this one is for cleaning the seats. So on the machine,
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipments,